Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional gele, and this gele is a Zara cap gele, so watch carefully. This gele, I'm going to share it into two, and you're going to see how we are going to tie it. The wedding that I just attended, one of the fabric that I had to tie was very short, just like this. So I said, let me show you guys how you could, tie something beautiful with a very short gele. You get, so that gele is not up to 75, not at all. I think it's just a 1 yard gele you get. So you're going to make your band, place in front of your client's head, cross at the back as seen. You're not going to tie, you're just going to cross it. When you're done crossing it, then you take one part and pin to the band, ensure that it's secure. You get to repeat the same thing on the other side, then arrange as seen and style. Very easy to do. So this is to tell you that you could work with any fabric, you could work with any length of gele, and you could still get a very positive result. You get in the previous clip before this one, that's the gele style. So for me to recreate it, I had to fold this my 75 into two and worked with it. You get, so keep watching, guys. Now after you've pinned to the base, you're going to curve it as seen. This is kind of like in form of a leaf shape. You're going to curve it as seen and pin the second part to the Zara band too. Now this is going to make it to be stable and not to move. You get, you repeat the same thing on the other side, then you go ahead to join both together. Can you see? Our gele is almost done. Now when you're done with that, you're going to join together. It's pretty easy, very stunning, beautiful. Now after that, you're going to go ahead to tuck that middle inside. You're going to see what I'll do shortly. If you're tying this on yourself, you know what to do at this point. It's just the same process that you're going to repeat when you're tying on yourself. You're not going to tie it, you're just going to twist and cross and pin to the Zara band. Easy peasy. Then for the top part, that's that part that is standing, you're now going to chuck it inside, tuck it inside your hair or inside your Zara band so that it's leveled. Can you see what I'm saying? This part, you're going to arrange it properly so that it's going to be leveled. So here's another simple and easy to do gele that you could tie on your clients and get your money fast, no delays. If you've watched up to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please ensure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. This is me placing it on my head. Can you see it? Very beautiful, and it's very easy to do. Ensure that you do finishing touches and everything is okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. See my clients now. Very beautiful girl.